Hello, students. Welcome to week 3, physics, extra 5. Um, what I really want you to focus on besides this week is make sure you have started on the physics vocabulary assignment. I have some students who have started on it and they are happy. They're like, you know what? I got 20 words done, or I got 30 words done out of the 90. So make sure you've started on that. That's a big part of your grade. So if this is causing you anxiety, it's meant to cause you a little bit of anxiety, but you don't need to be too anxious. Even if you start this week, that's only 30 words a week you have to do for the next 3 weeks. If you sit down and focus, develop some good work habits, you'll be able to get those 90 words knocked out in no time. Remember, you have to copy down 90 or 30 of the words. Just copy the term and the definition. 30 use in a sentence, and 30 do an illustration or a drawing. So get started on that this week. And to help you get started on that, I've kept this week relatively brief as far as new work. Go to the discussion post, week 3 discussion, and click on the link, and it gives you a photo that you can edit by clicking on. You just follow the instructions basically, but there are instructions on the photo. Click on the photo where you see a safety violation, type into the text box and what the violation is, and then click OK. Do more than one, do as many as you can find, and then you'll be done with that part of it. However, what I want you to do after you do the interactive photo site is to write down a couple of it could be 1 or 2 of the safety concerns you found in the picture. So for your discussion post, you're putting in some safety violations or safety concerns that you have with the picture. And once you get there, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's kind of an exciting discussion post. Then there are these following assignments to do. PhET properties of waves. That's just an interactive link to a website right here, and that'll help you get to know, to play with some of the properties of waves. Then we have lesson 2, waves and rays, 100-point assignment. 100-point assignment, okay? So read these instructions. I've given the questions to the reading in red. I've put them in red and put them right after the paragraph where you can find the answer. That's part of my purposeful reading strategy to help you. I always tell you, read the questions at the end and then go back and do the reading so that you know what you're looking for. So what you should do here is read the questions in red that follow a paragraph, and you'll be able to get the answer to the question. It's kind of a more direct model of what I've been saying about purposeful reading. Then you'll go to this waves and rays assignment, which is based on the reading, and you should have no problem with the answers because they're right from the reading that you just did, and you'll have already seen the answer. Then go to fossweb.com. That's an activity we're going to be doing. Here's the instructions. Log in. Username is Catch a Wave, all one word. Password is Big Waves. Once logged in, go to the metronome and oscilloscope tabs and log in. So your assignment is to work around with these 2 tabs. Feel free to look at any of the tabs on the site. And your graded assignment is to send me a few notes as to what you learned while touring these interactive websites. All right. Here's where you click on to jot down your notes to tell me what new things you've learned about waves. All right, so have a great week. Looking forward to you getting caught up on all assignments so I don't have to put any more zeros in. Remember, if an assignment is not done, the Monday following that week, so last week was week 2, I will be putting in zeros on assignments from week 2 that aren't completed. Okay? Have a great week, guys.